Once upon a time, there were three little fish who were all sisters. As they grew it came time for them to go out into the deep wide ocean to find their way and make their homes before they swam off in different directions. Three little fish talked together about what kind of home they wanted. Red fish said, I want to live somewhere with plenty of food. Blue fish said, I want to live somewhere beautifully, very beautiful one. Yellow fish said, I want to live somewhere safe. Have you heard about the big bad shark? Looking for little fish to gobble up. He is strong and he is fast and he has rows and rows of huge sharp teeth. We need to find good homes to hide and protect us from the big bad shark. So the little fish agreed for safe home, and then they all swam off in a different directions. Red fish arrives. When the first little fish became tired of swimming, she stopped and looked around and wondered if she looked around might be able to make a home with something nearby. Red fish said, look at all these bits of seaweeds lying around. Maybe I can make a home out of this. That would be great. Not only I will have a home, but anytime I can get hungry, I can have a little nibble of seaweed. So the little fish set to work and made herself a little house entirely out of seaweeds. The seaweed drifted in the current, but the little fish was able to swim inside. Red fish said, oh, this seaweed looks delicious. Time for a little bite. Just then, the big bad shark swam into the wave.
The shark says, did someone say time for a bite? Just what I was thinking. I'm starving. I spy with my beady black eyes a little fishy. I see you hiding in that seaweed. Little fish, let me come in.
Red fish said, not by the scales of my finny fin fan.
The shark says, then I'll munch and I'll crunch and I'll chomp your house in.
And the big bad shark munched and he crunched and he tore the little seaweed house apart with his big sharp teeth. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Red fish said, no. Unfortunately, he was so busy chomping up the house that the little fish was able to swim quickly away.
The shark says, this seaweed isn't too bad, nice and chewy. But where did the tasty little fish inside go? Blistering brangles. I think she got away.
And the shark swam off in the search of another snack. Meanwhile, not far away, the second little fish had also grown tired looking for a home, and she stopped to rest. Blue fish said, look at all the shells on the ocean floor. Maybe I can make a home out of this. Wouldn't that be beautiful? So she picked out the shiniest and most beautiful shells and stacked and arranged them with the great care until she had a little house made entirely of shells. Just the right size for a fish. Blue fish said, it's a perfect, how lovely. I think this is the prettiest house in the whole ocean. Just then, big bad shark swam by the hungrier than ever.
The shark said, losing that little fish snack made me mad and hungry. Seaweed really isn't very filling. Hey, what's that shiny thing over there? A house made of shells with another little fish snack inside, like it's somebody gift wrapped it just for me. Little fish, let me come in.
Bluefish said, not by the scales, on my finny fin.
The shark said, then I'll munch and I'll crunch and I'll chop your house in.
And the big bad shark munched and he crunched and he tore a little shell house apart with his big sharp teeth. Chomp, chomp, chomp. It took a little longer, however, because the shells were hard and kept getting stuck in his teeth. The little fish had just enough time to swim away. Bluefish said, Where is my beautiful house?
And the shark came and the shark says that those shells are a bit rough for my old choppers and all that work for nothing. There should have been a tasty little fish in one of those shells, but I can't find her. When I am going to get a little fish snack around here?
Yellowfish said, Yellowfish arriving and he said, look at this place. It's wonderful, so beautiful, so pleasant and nice. There's plenty to eat here. And look at this, all the places to hide a shark. Could never find us in here. It's the perfect home. So she called her fish sisters on her cell phone. Ring, 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 ring. Yellowfish said, girls, come see what I found. The other two fish came swimming as fast as they could. Wow, look at this place, sisters. It has everything we need. Redfish said, oh yes, lots of yummy algae and other goodies to eat. Bluefish said, oh, it's so beautiful, even prettier than my house of shells, and lots of places to hide from the big bad shark. Yellowfish said, please, all that sharp hard coral will keep us safe from the big shark teeth. Bluefish said, let's make this our home together. Yellowfish said, no. Oh, here comes the shark. The three little fish hid in the coral. Along swam the big bad shark.
The shark came and said, I know there are little fish hiding in there somewhere, but I can't see them. And that coral looks sharp and pointy. It might cut my big fins if I get too close, but maybe a little nibble. Ouch! Too hard, too sharp, my poor teeth. I'm out of here. Maybe I'll just go find some more of the seaweed.
Yellowfish come out with a laughing. Ha ha ha! That shark bit off more than he could chew. There he goes. Come on, girls. If he ever comes back, we will have just hide again and he will get another mouthful of coral. The three little fish made their home in the coral reef, made friends with many other creatures who lived there and lived happily ever after under the sea.
So everyone, did you like the puppet show?
Yeah!
Okay, so do you want to know who all were behind this?
Yeah!
Yes? Okay, so I want to know that how many fishes did you all find? 3 fishes. And which was the big fish? One more. The shark. Very good. Okay, so all the teachers have taken efforts for this beautiful puppet show. So I want everyone to clap for them. Come on, everyone. Okay, so all the teachers played a different role in this puppet show, right? Okay, the yellow fish was being played by Shraddha ma'am. The red fish was being played by Purnima ma'am. The blue fish was being played by Kanchan ma'am, okay? And the houses which you all saw, the beautiful houses, was being played by Gauri ma'am. And the big one, that is the shark, was being played by Pradna ma'am. And the other teachers were also helping out in doing this puppet show. So I hope that everyone has liked it, right? Okay, so kids, we have completed many of the activities, right? The camel riding, the horse riding, the sandwich making, and many more, right? So many more activities are also coming soon, okay? So I wanted to have a question for you all. That is, did you like the brainstorming, the maths brainstorming session? Yes. You all got some different activities to do on that day, right? So further, we are going to have English brainstorming, even the science brainstorming. So hope that you all will be present, everyone, and enjoying the further activities. Okay?